YouTube. I just wanted to follow up on the last Cardano video that I did a couple weeks ago. Time flies, I tell you. It doesn't seem like that long, but it is. So I put in this range, this red area, and I said that I thought that it would hang out in that range for a little while. It actually broke above the range and came back down inside of it to test it. And right now we're way above this upper linear regression, or the VWAP. I'm sorry, the VWAP. We're above the top band, and the lower band is down here at 43 cents. Now, if we remain bullish on Cardano, I believe we're going to see a major candle. If you look at the weekly time frame, I mean, $1.20 looks like it's the next stop, in my opinion. We might have some at 77 cents in this area to 90 cents, but you know, $1.10 to $1.20 is going to come pretty quick, in my opinion. Now we're curving up. See how we're kind of going down and then curving back up. I think right now is the pivot moment. You know, of course, we got a buy signal way down here at 25 cents, but the overall is looking way to the upside, guys. I'm getting really pumped up for Cardano, and so the next, basically after this, I think what we might end up doing is, if you do a measured move, if we continue to the upside, okay, if the bulls can maintain control, you know, you do that measured move and you're like 80 cents. Okay, so 80 cents, between 80 and 90 cents is the next stop point, and then from there, $1.18, right, between that 110 120 area. So let's draw this. We got about right there, and about right there. So that's looks like to be coming up for Cardano if we continue this bullishness before we get a really hefty retrace. Will we hit 120 and then come back down to 60 for a bounce, or are we going to continue sideways from here? Either way you look at it, I haven't seen the EMAs curved up in this manner since pre-bull run at 15 cents, January 2021 or February 2021, and we had, well, look at this, 65 cents here, or 60 cents here, which is pretty much where we're at right now. What was the next stop? Oh, 84 cents between the 80 and 90. That was a 1 week candle, but it wicked all the way up to $1. And then the next candle was as low as 79 cents and as high as $1.50, but it stayed right around 130, and then it kind of played in here. So the bottom of that range would be $1 to $1.30. So 120 is around that next sideways range for the previous bull market. And then of course you get these massive candles You know, this one went from 140 to 210. So imagine in 1 week you made 50% in 1 week on your portfolio if you held Cardano. Crazy, crazy, crazy gains. Now, so there's your technicals, okay? And we're not as curved up as the previous bull run, but you can see this, the yellow line here. It's starting. This is starting, okay? We might come back down, we might not. You know, it's nobody knows. Nobody knows what it's gonna do. This is a very emotional market. Only the non-emotional traders make out the big gains, from what I'm told. So you can see the headlines. Cardano founding entity Emergo lays out roadmap for 2024. Cardano gears to break out of pattern, can maintain rally in short term. Cardano surge 20% more with pattern breakout details. Going back to the 4 hour, we're painting a ascending triangle pattern. You could paint it however you want to see it, but the way I see it right now is it's still like an ascending triangle. That's the more pattern right there. Or you can say that it already broke out and this was the ascending triangle here, and we're basically, can we hold above it? So this massive red candle right here broke above it, but we haven't closed below it yet. We're just retesting. So can we get a little bounce here and then continue up? You know, that's time will tell. Just stay tuned for that. Some of the headlines: analysts say a make or break moment coming for Cardano. Oh, here's a headline: Cardano at a crossroads, Ada Price poised to hit 80 cents. We just talked about that in the technicals. See, that's now the news is starting to match with the technicals. If you guys get more into technical analysis, you'll see that the charts almost predict what the news is going to say. I mean, other traders will agree with me on that one, because you can see, oh wow, we're getting ready to do something, and then bam, when it happens, news comes out about what exactly happened. And sometimes it's a scandal within the company, or a new investor that has major social, following, stuff like that actually affects the price. But it's almost like a prediction in the charts if you learn how to read charts. But anyways, make sure you subscribe, like, and share for more information if you like this kind of content, guys. And also, the platform that I like to use is BingX. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you guys can check that out. They have leverage trading, spot trading, a lot of brand new coins that come onto the market seem to show up on BingX. It's one of the first exchanges to allow you to leverage trade or spot trade on those smaller, higher risk currencies. So other than that, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. We will see y'all in the next video.